Hey, hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys guessed it, yes, today I am going to do a snack crate box unboxing. This is my first time ever doing it, and I know everyone's already done this a million times, but this is my first time ever doing it, and I'm kind of excited about it. I know, like, you don't seem excited. I am excited. I'm just a little irritated because, today started off pretty good. And I went to my nephew's birthday party today at Chuck E. Cheese. Yeah, everything's going good. We have a cake and ice cream and things like that. And as the day went on, and we're getting ready to leave or whatever, I see that I lose my Fenty lip balm. And not that I lost it, basically somebody stole it. So most likely it fell out of my pocket. Either some little grungy kid or some little nasty human being adult stole it. So if you're watching this and you went to Chuck E. Cheese on December 8th in Indiana, Maryville, I hope you catch something. I do. I hope your lips swell up. You get like a nasty cyst or herpes. Yeah, I said it. Hope you do. Because you suck. And you ain't flaunting because you stole it. Because you broke. So I hope you catch syphilis. So, we're going to open the crate today. So, yay! Let's do it. Okay, guys. So, let's get into it. I don't have scissors, so I'm going to use this knife or a box opener. But a knife is just fine. Make sure ain't nothing else. You guys see me open it, so I have no idea what is in these. Okay, you guys. So let's get into it. So, Snack Crate was doing this little promotion deal where you can get a box for $1 and spending $1 for some snacks from like a different country. Sounds pretty good to me. So I bought it. I did it. $1. So I bought it. And they gave you an option of 3. It was Korea, South Africa, and I want to say either the UK or Australia. I'm not sure, but because I'm so into like anything Japanese or Chinese or Asian related, I got the Korea box. So it looks like a little booklet, which it is, and it gives you some details and facts about Korea, fun facts, things like that, and it tells you everything that's in the box, what's in it. So let's get into it. Oh, ooh, and you get stickers. I do love stickers. And I don't know what I'm going to plaster them on just yet. Most likely my laptop. But I'm going to plaster them everywhere somewhere. So, yeah. And I already think my favorite one is the tiger. The cool sunglasses. And this one right here. It's really cute. I like that. Got the little Buddha sticker. The Korea flag. A little snack crate sticker. Then Snap Crate sends you another one. Like a little big one. So people can know you like Snap Crate. And so this is what it looks like so far. And let's get into it. Oh, if I can open it, this sticker on here. Okay. So they put this in here so your treats don't get all knocked around and smashed up. The first thing in the box is a cocoa pie. And let's read. It's basically like a soft cookie with marshmallow fillings. So it's basically like a dupe, or whatever you want to call it, to something we have here called a I can't think of it right now, and I just had it online. But basically, we have something here, a moon pie. There we go. It's called a moon pie, and it's basically just like this. It has marshmallows, and it has a chocolate or banana, vanilla coating flavoring. So let's see what this tastes like. My mom loves these, by the way, like the moon pies, the ones that we have here in the USA. The US of A. Oh, I caught it, you guys, in my lap. That's what it looks like. Smells good. That's it. It's basically like a breaded sandwich with marshmallows. And that's it. Oh my god. I'm getting all over the place too. I mean, it's a moon pie. Or in Korea, a cocoa pie. That's all there is to it. There isn't any more. So the next thing in here is okay. It's a noodle snack. And the flavor is barbecue flavoring. It looks like noodles. Yeah, it's basically noodles. And you smash it. And there's some spices inside, barbecue spicings, and you just shake, you put the little spices inside and you shake it up. So let's crack this up. That was fairly easy to crack. So I would say they're much softer and easy to break than like the ramen noodle packets. And here's the, yeah, it tastes good just by itself, even without the spices on it. So let's do it. This is so hard to do, so you guys have to see it too. Smells good. And got this cool little dude on here. This kid, he was actually with a hammer. I guess that's how he breaks his up. Just takes it and just whams the mess out of it. So shake, shake, shake. Yes, you guys, it's actually making me happy considering what happened today. So, not bad. You know the fun part of it? I was thinking about putting in some water and boiling it. It says, don't boil it, crunch it. Oh my god, I just lost like a lot of seasoning. I don't know. I like barbecue, so pretty good. It's good. Let me see if they have anything special about it. Now, I'm not sure how you say this, but it's called pushu pushu. Pushu pusha. Pushu pushu is what this call it. Don't boil it. This is ramen. It's meant to be eaten as a cracker. So that's basically it. It's meant to be eaten as a cracker. And for the cocoa pie, it says these marshmallow pies are adored by all Koreans. They are regularly smuggled. Wow, smushed, really actually. I can't read today either, you guys. They are smuggled into North Korea, where they are as good as cash. What? I'll just bring you guys like a whole bunch of moon pies over to Korea and make a killing. I don't even have to work. Just order some moon pies. You know, from America. Just, you know, bring them in with a suitcase. Don't even have clothes. Just have like a suitcase luggage full of moon pies and be like, cocoa pie, $5. Or one cocoa moon pie. Or one banana moon pie. One banana moon pie. That's pretty cool. Alright, you guys, so next on the box is, what is it? I want to go in order, but that's fine. Is a Cocoa Boy. And they look like, yeah, they're chocolate biscuits. And they look like mushrooms. And they got like a little chocolate biscuit boy on here who's extremely happy about life and everything. Like he lives in another unicorn land of all happiness and rainbows and sparkles. Okay. Oh, okay. So you don't open it like I was just gonna rip it open. But apparently you just open it right down the middle. So I will attempt to open it down the middle. See how that works out for me. Probably not good. Oh wow. Okay, no. I did good. You guys, I didn't completely like fail. So they look like, they kind of look like hair, like a wig on the like one of the little mannequin heads. Like you see in like the beauty supplies. Just oh yeah. A biscuit with a glob of chocolate stuck on the top. I like them. They're good. They're little soft biscuits and chocolate. I like biscuits and chocolate. So it works for me. I'll eat this all day with a cup of tea. Probably get like extra fat. Let's see. My total fat is like 11 grams. And it says serving size is 1 packet. Serving per container, 1. Well, I'm guessing they don't have a certain like amount you're supposed to eat. You say a serving size is 1 packet. So eat the whole thing in one sitting here. It's only 200 calories. That's not bad, because it's like a nice little piece of chocolate on top of there with the biscuit. That's not bad at all. 200 calories. Unless you don't do anything, you just keep eating these like 5 or 6 of these a day. Or more, then I guess it'd be bad. That'd be me, by the way. Eating like 6 of these like a day. Like, what are you eating? Oh, just some cocoa, boy. Want some cocoa, boy? See what I did there? I know, shut up. Okay. So the next thing in here is a sitcom Delcom. They're sour fruit chews, similar to the high chews from Japan. See, I thought these were high chews, but they're sour fruit chews. So they are high chews, just sour. I thought it was gum. I would have liked some gum. But they're chews, so. Oh, and they're tiny. I thought they were like huge, but I guess they will be kind of tiny since they're sour. They're kind of like now-laters. The wrapping and everything. And they're grape flavored. And not just sour. It's like a hint of sourness to them. And really chewy. And juicy. Yeah, I don't have the sour. That's good. And this is the 4th item in the box so far. You get like 6 items. But with the snack crate box, you can like upgrade so you can get more items in the box. So you can get like 6 or 12 or 18 or something like that in the box, and you upgrade more, but that's more expensive because they have a mini box which is like $14, and then the next box up is like the regular size crate box which is like $24. And I'm like, that's expensive but not expensive at the same time, because it's like, even though you are getting treats from like all around the world, I don't know if I will like put money into that just yet. Until it's like, if I got like extra side money and they're basically doing nothing with, I'm like, okay, sure, why not? Let's pay like $24 for like a box of snack once a month. But I feel like it'd be, like if you have small children, it'd be something nice to do with your kids. You know, yeah, I can go through the box. You can read about what country it comes from. Read a little bit of facts about them, and you could just eat some of their treats and see if they're similar to any treats that we have here. Alright, so the next thing is delicious and fresh baked pie. This is like a tiny little apple pie. It kind of reminds me of a Nutri-Grain bar, the way it looks. Yeah, it's a French pie. So it's fresh jam on top of a flaky and buttery pastry. We've included 2, apple and strawberry. Oh, okay. So that's what's in here. These the last 2 items are French pies, an apple and a strawberry. Which one should I try first? I'm not too big on strawberries, so I'm gonna try apple. I like apples. Oh, it does. It actually looks like a little pie too. This is what it looks like. Oh, that really is flaky. It, yeah. It reminds me of this one pastry I used to eat at this Indian restaurant here. It's called Aladdin Pita. and they have like little treats like this. It's like a little flaky, like, you know, pastry with all types of fruit and like flavoring fillings. And I can definitely eat these all day. I see it just throwing into my backpack or my bag if I'm going somewhere on a little trip and just snacking on these all day. And it's not too sweet, so you can give it to like, if you have like a toddler for like when they come home from school or whatever they're coming from as a snack before they start like doing their homework or whatever such things. Alright, it is extra flaky, so you don't have crumbs everywhere, but it's good. Alright, you guys, so that's it. Nothing else left. Just the paper. Which I'm going to keep because it's covered in Korean letterings and words. And I'm not sure what it says, but about the guesstimate, either says Korea and snack crate on here. So yeah, that's it, you guys, for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Click that subscribe button and click the little bell for the notifications. Comment below which treat was your favorite. And if I had to have a top 3 favorites out of the 6 that were in here, I would say number 1, the French pies. Number 2, the Kusha noodle treat. And the third one would be the Cocoa Boy. Because I'll probably be eating this all night now. If you guys haven't guessed tonight, I'm making this video at night. You can't tell because I'm by no windows. But I can definitely eat this right. All night. A little snack. Not too salty. Not too fattening. Wow. Okay, I lied. I said the calories for this is 410. That's more than a Cocoa Boy. This is like straight up sugar. A wallop of sugar on top of a biscuit stick. And this is more calories. Well, I guess because it's sodium. So I guess in a way salt is worse than sugar. Okay. So they have also other treats in here that you could have got in the box. So as I'm reading here, it looks like I received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I didn't receive the mini box. I'm not sure which box I received, but I got something. I got one of everything out of each box. So you have a mini box, you have a premium box, and a drink upgrade. And where is it? I just saw it. The Cocoa Boy actually came in a premium box, which is pretty cool. Because in the mini box, you get the Pusha, you get the cocoa pie, and then you get Kanachu biscuits, named for the prank played by Korean children. These crunchy biscuits are filled with chocolate. I wish I would have got that one. And then you got the French fries and the sitcom Delcom, the sour fruit chews. Well, yeah, I felt like for $1 just to test it out and try it, it wasn't a bad buy. And down the line, I would totally buy more of these because I like trying new treats and snacks, especially from Korea. Because look at that picture. Look at those happy people. Look at those smiling faces. I definitely want to go to Korea and Japan. Like definitely want to go there to these places, do a little shopping, and bring back some goodies to show to you all. But I would definitely let you guys know when I make it to that point to where I'll go on this trip and then do vlogs and all that good jazz like that. I'm pretty sure I'll be more advanced with my audio and more advanced with my cameras, because right now I'm just doing it on my phone. But I feel like that's okay because I'm just starting out, and I feel like I'm doing pretty good so far, and I like doing this for fun. And I like talking about things and talking to people, and I don't know, ranting, venting, and then putting it up for all the world to see. And today I like my makeup. And my new earrings, check them out, y'all. I'm filling my heritage today, so filling it with my natural hair out. Yep, natural hair out. So you guys, this is my hair so far. And it's in twisties. At first I was like, I thought it looked like bad because I think I twisted it wrong. But everyone kept telling me my hair looked nice, looked good, looked really pretty. And I did a good job on makeup today. So I was like, yay! Thank you, y'all, because I was not feeling myself today, and y'all just made me happy. So that's it, you guys, in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye! Oh yeah, and remember, splurge on a budget. Don't go broke for videos or for other people. Splurge on a budget. So when you see Snack Crate having a sale promotion deal, do it. Because you can save so much money. Like, for real, you guys. So I'm going to do more videos like this. Like, when they have promotion, people have promotion deals for things and items that I like, that I want to try. And let you guys know about it. Because right now, I think they have one going on for a $5 box. But when you go on the site, it also still says you can, like, try it for $1 as well still. So, if you're watching this video, go try it out for like $1. And I think they say you have to sign up for a subscription for at least 6 months. But I think you can, and I think it's for the $24 box. So I think this might have been a $24 box, but it's kind of small. So this was a mini. So the minis are $14. So I'm pretty sure you could switch it up and let them know like you want to change it to the $14 box instead of the $24 box. And I'm pretty sure they would do it for you because I called them. Well, not called them because you can't call them. You can only message them and you have to wait for them to like email you back. But still, you should definitely do it. Try it out. No, they're not sponsoring this video. I'm not getting paid or anything like that. I just wanted to try the Snack Crate for a while now. And I finally tried it and I wanted to share with you guys that I finally tried it. First time ever trying it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!